Hello and welcome. This is the Casio ABL-100 and I'm going to show you how to set the time and date manually on this watch. So let's get started. From the standard timekeeping mode, and that is the mode when the watch tells the time, press and hold the upper left button until you hear the beep. And there it is. First in a row of settings is our step reminder. Is it on or off? To shuffle it, press the lower right button. I'm gonna leave it off. Next up, I'm going to press the mode button and we come to daily step target. So currently it is set to 10,000, but I can shuffle it or increase it or decrease it by pressing the upper right or lower right button. Once we have set our daily step target, I'm going to press the mode button and we move on to setting our seconds value. You cannot set the exact value of seconds, but you can reset them by pressing the lower right button and they will go to 0. So by pressing the lower right button, I'm resetting the seconds to 0. Next up, I'm going to press the mode button again to set my hour value. You can shuffle your hour value or decrease it by pressing the upper right button or increase it by pressing the lower right button. Once we have set our hour value, I'm going to press the mode button and we move on to setting our minutes value. To shuffle it, again press the upper right button or lower right button to increase it or decrease it so you get it to your target minutes value. Once you have set that, press the mode button again and we see that 12 is flashing over here, 12H, which means that we are in the position of setting our daytime time format. Is it 12 or 24-hour time format? You can shuffle it by pressing the lower right button. I'm gonna leave it at 24-hour time format. Next up, press the mode button again and we are setting our year value. It's flashing 25, but you can decrease it by pressing the upper right button or increase it by pressing the lower right button. Once we have set that, I'm going to press the mode button again and we move on to setting our month value. Again, to decrease it and to increase it, the lower right button. Number 6 is flashing. It corresponds to month of June. Let's get it back to 3, which corresponds to month of March. Next up, press the mode button and the number 24 is flashing. This is our day value. Again, I can decrease it or increase it over here. Next up, let's press the mode button and move on to next setting, and that is our button operation tool. Press the lower right button to shuffle it between mute or unmute, or in this case, key and mute. Once we have set our operation tone, I'm going to press the lower left button or the mode button, and now we are setting our illumination duration. By pressing the surge button or lower right button, I'm shortening or prolongating my illumination duration. When it stands for LT1, it means that when I press the illumination button, the watch face will stay lit on for 1.5 seconds. When it's set to LT3, it will stay lit on for 3 seconds. So I'm gonna leave it at LT1 by pressing the search button. Once we have set our illumination duration, I'm going to press the mode button again, and we are now in position of setting our power saving mode. Is it on or off? Is set by pressing the lower right button. So you are shuffling it in your power saving mode on or off by pressing the lower right button. I'm gonna leave it at on, and once done with that, I'm going to press the mode button again, and we are back at the beginning and setting our step reminder, which means that we have ran through the cycle of setting the time and date and other watch settings on this watch. To implement the settings, simply press the adjust button and the watch is now back to the standard timekeeping mode, and now all of our settings have been implemented. And again, once I've said previously, this is how to set your watch manually. You can also set it by connecting it with your phone via Bluetooth. Thank you very much for watching. This time it was the Casio ABL-100. Until next time, thank you.